Hey, g'day legends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. So, in keeping with accessories for the iPad, some of you may remember one of my videos not so long ago, I covered a keyboard attachment cover for an iPad A16 2025 model. This was primarily for my daughter to take to school. And if you remember, I didn't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on an iPad keyboard, an official one, where I could get one pretty comparable with a good trackpad and a good keyboard with a good case, pencil holder and everything for less than one third the price. In fact, I think it was 1/4 the price, from a company called ESR. So this company pretty much sells all their gear through Amazon, and as you know, I've featured quite a few of their products on my page. And so one of the other things that my daughter wanted to include in her collection was an Apple Pencil. Again, Apple Pencils, they're starting at sub $200, going up to the several $100s for the Pro versions, and it's simply just not feasible for a products like that to be taken to school with the potential of getting lost and everything. So again, ESR come to the rescue. So I decided to pick up one of their own Apple Pencils. Here it is. And this is again a Bluetooth device. It actually takes a charge. On some iPad models, it actually connects to the iPad magnetically, but it does not magnetically charge. It has to have a USB-C cable for charging. But one thing that ESR have improved on this time round is, although they introduced the new technologies in this where you can draw, but if you tilt the pencil, you can actually do your shading and things like that. So it's got that new Apple Pencil feature where, if you point in the pencil straight down on the iPad, you're going to get very sharp print. But because it's got the tilt sensor in there, it allows you to use, like thicker brushes, or it allows you to shade and things like that when it comes down to drawing and colouring and stuff like that. So again, ESR right now selling this pencil on Amazon Prime in Australia for $48. And that's less than 1/3 the cost of an official Apple Pencil. Not only that, the other technology they've included is it works with Apple Find My. So again, a product for my daughter to take to school and use, and if she happens to misplace it, she can just simply go on, utilize the Find My network on her iPhone and find it. And again, for the price, for what you're looking at, it's an absolute steal compared to what you're paying for a premium Apple product, which effectively nearly does the same thing. One of the biggest features I can see missing is magnetically connecting to your iPad and magnetically charging. That's it, and is that worth the extra cost to have an Apple branded pencil? Okay, the materials are probably going to be better, but like for like, if you're sending your child to school or college or anything like that, and you want something that's going to work, cheap and cheerful, even without unboxing it, I can say I know it's going to work. I know it's going to be a good product because I've reviewed a lot of ESR products. But I have to bring it to you because, like I say, I did a video for you a few days ago regarding this case, doing an unboxing and a full walkthrough and a connection and everything. And that's proved to be brilliant. My daughter's gone to school with 98% battery on that keyboard. She's used the keyboard all day with a trackpad, and she can't believe it when she comes home and the battery says 97%. She's absolutely flummoxed at how long that battery actually lasts in an ESR keyboard. They build them well. So I want to do a quick unboxing for you and just show you around this, go through the connection procedure, and I'm going to connect it to my daughter's iPad while I've got it here, and we'll see it working.
Welcome to Pom in Oz Reviews, reviewing the world from down under.
Okay guys, so here we are. ESR Digital Pencil. Works with Apple Find My, USB-C fast charge, supports Find My. As you can see, just the usual print on the side. Again, it's just reiterating what it says on the front there. And then we have basically digital pencil, Quick specifications here are the length is this 165.8 millimeters. The outer diameter is 9.05 millimeters and it weighs 13.5 grams. In the box, we get the digital pencil, replaceable active nib ×3, and a 1.4 foot or 30 centimeter USB-C to USB-C data cable. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it for you now. Typical, they never go the way you want them to. And then we'll have a quick look at it and connect it up. Okay, so as with usual with ESR, as with most products as well, you now get a QR code. So you can scan the code with your phone and then you get basically a quick setup video. So this is basically just telling you everything that you need to know about the pencil itself. You got the replaceable nibs, screw in and out, status light and button is on the end, USB-C charging port. So press and hold the top button for 2 seconds to switch it on and off, and then charge using the USB. The working status is solid blue light. If you've got a low battery, when the battery level drops below 10%, the blue light flashes. While it's charging, the blue light stays on for 30 seconds and then fully turns off after it's fully charged. And then you've got pairing mode. So it automatically enters pairing mode after startup. In iPad settings, just go to Bluetooth, select the ESR Digital Pencil to automatically connect. So in the Find My section, the preparation for this is to enable two-factor authentication for iPad with iOS 14.5 or later. Enable Find My, go to settings, your name, Find My, and then turn on Find My device. Enable Bluetooth connection. Wi-Fi or cellular data network connection must be strong. Enable location services, go to settings, privacy and security, turn on location services. And then it goes through your pairing instructions. So, as you can see, it's all there in various languages. Very easy to read, very easy print, with diagrams to tell you all the way through it. So, that's all nice. So there we have a secondary booklet. Again, there's going to be more languages in there. As you saw with my previous products, there's their activate your 24-month warranty, customer support, and quick setup videos. This is their Care Plus plan, which they pretty much offer on all their devices. So as you can see, the box here is 3 categories. So we'll pull out the first one. As you can see, inside the first box, you've got your 3 replacement nibs. So we can leave that in there. In the second box, we have our USB-C 30 centimeter charging cable. And then last but not least, we have the pencil. As you can see, even a little foam insert there in the end, just to keep it all nice, compact and tight. So that's a nice thought when it comes to the packaging. And there you go, guys. There is your ESR pencil. So as you can see there, it's basically signifying the Find My insignia. It's just on there. With your nibs, you simply unscrew it. There you go. You can change out the nib if you happen to break it for any reason, but these they seem to last quite a long time. So there we got our little charging port. So you can pull out that little piece of rubber, and then you've got the charging port right there, and then you've got your little button there. So I will unlock her iPad, go to Bluetooth settings, and switch it on. So press and hold that. There we go. So as you can see, a little blue light is just illuminated in the end. And on the screen here, we got ESR Digital Pencil. So we'll click on connect. Bluetooth request to pair. And there we go. Done. As easy as that. So let's just see. Okay, so we got, as you can see, the pencil is working absolutely fine for there. So we're showing now it's compatible with the battery icon on your iPad as well. So you can see there, got 100% battery on the pencil and 96% battery on the iPad. So as you can see, the working is absolutely fine. So yeah, if I go into notes, basically we can go into pencil. Oh, that's a lasso. Okay, it's even recognised my writing, which is unusual because I've got very poor writing. So we can go, yeah, so we still got the rubber there, as you can see. Got a pen. Right, so as you can see there, just using the highlighter, if we use the end of the pen, you can see there it's a very thin line when you want to highlight. But then if you scroll it sideways, you can see how it's that much bigger. So you can do that with the top of the pen as a normal Apple Pencil. But if you go to the side, you can see there. So there you go. The tilt sensor in the ESR Pencil does actually work. So we can go to a different color. And as you can see there, we can scroll. Very, very accurate as well, guys. See, so as you can see with the end of the pencil, it's very thin, but you can still then just color in with a side. So there you go. The tilt sensor's working absolutely fine. And yeah, that's it. So you can see the little blue light on there. You can see it's well illuminated. So all we got to do is activate the Find My system. So I will go and activate the Find My. I don't believe it's magnetic. It says it's not. But again, with the ESR case, you can see there's a perfect little slot in there to store your pencil. Works absolutely fine. And that'll keep it nice and secure then, ready to lock away inside the tablet. So it's highly unlikely it'll get lost unless the tablet manages to fall open. But it does have a magnetic connector on there, so that does pretty much keep it together all right. But as you can see, yeah, it's working absolutely fine. No problems at all. We can just click on pencil, pen. Yeah. Obviously you would have to have, yeah, so it's literally just on the highlighter. Yeah, you would get that kind of feature. But then just using a point, you can go all the way around. So as you can see there, the tilt sensor's working absolutely fine. Perfect, guys. So like I say, this is just a quick, simple video. I have to give these guys a shout out because I've been using ESR for years, right down to phone cases and everything in between. And they've been great. I've never, ever had a problem with an ESR product. So as an FYI, this video is not sponsored. They have not sent me any of these items for free. I've purchased them with my own money. It just makes more sense for a child taking these products to school. I'd rather lose $48 than $180, $200, you know, what it costs for a normal pencil. Obviously, you do have the Find My as well ability in there, but if it was permanently lost, if it did really get lost and we couldn't find it on Find My, it's a much easier pill to swallow. The pill that costs $48 is a lot easier to swallow than a pill that costs 150 to 180, and then upwards of 200 as well. So, yeah, there you go, guys. Very simple. Like I say, you got your little charging port there. As for specifications, it's compatible with iPads released in 2018 or later, running iOS 12.2 and above. The new 2026 iPad Air 11-inch and 13-inch, that's the M2, M3 and M4. iPad 11th Gen A16, which is this model, and the 10th. The 10th does have writing and magnetic attachment. So I don't know why that hasn't gone across to the 11th generation, but the 10th generation does have the magnetic attachment as well. The iPad Pro 11 and 13-inch M5 and M4, and the iPad 9876 Gen iPad Air 11 and 13, the M2 and the M3. I don't need to go through the list. Go through, click on the link if you like. That will take you straight to this product page, as I have done with the keyboard as well. I wholeheartedly stand by it. Absolutely great products. They work all the time. Battery life is really good. And they come in some colors as well. You do have, obviously this one's in blue. They do a white, a black, a pink, and a purple. So they're all around the same price. Sometimes you do get deviations in prices with different colors, but generally, there's not a problem at all. They do come in those 5 colors. They're all in stock and they're all $48.99. So I did want to get her pink, but I thought she'll get bullied too much, so I went for the blue. Went for the blue case as well. So she's not my little girl anymore. She's not my little baby who likes everything pink. She's now growing up, and she's 12 going on 22. So I don't buy anything pink for her anymore. So as for the battery life, it's 12 hours usage time. It's got a 5-minute standby mode, so if it's not used on a screen for 5 minutes, it will automatically switch itself off. And the charging time is 20 minutes. So it's wired up for fast charging, and it will do a full charge in 20 minutes. So again, coming home from school, plugging that in for 20 minutes, fully done, and then that's good for the next few days of use. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's it, the ESR Pencil. If you got any value out of this, please like, comment, subscribe. Definitely come and have a chat if you have any experience with this. If you have any questions you want to put to me, come and ask some questions. I'm always happy to answer. But yeah, that'll be it for now until my next video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you soon. As I always say, don't let life get the better of you. Bye-bye for now.
Thank you for joining Pom in Oz today, and don't forget to hit that like button.